In this episode of Finnongrid Machining, I'm going to try to rescue one of my slitting saws which I succeeded in destroying a while ago. I was about to throw it into the bin, but I looked at it and then I thought, okay, maybe I can rescue this one. So, let's see. Okay, well, here, mummified is my dividing head. I'm just using it as a platform to rotate this, and of course I have dialed this in very accurately. It's within 100 of a millimeter concentricity, I mean. The center. I don't know anything about the blade itself, so yeah. So, well, my intention here is to grind. Let's see if I can focus on some of the faults here so you can see what's wrong with this blade. Oh yeah, there you can see it. A little bit up, like that. Okay. Okay. Well, these three, that one, and that one, I already ground. I did grind them. And now if you look at the fourth one here, this one I haven't done yet. So, as you can see, there is a shiny corner there. That is actually rounded. Well, this is bad news for a slitting saw like this because it doesn't cut on that corner. That's bad. It shouldn't be like that. The other side is intact, but this side is really in a bad condition. So, well, it looks like I can get rid of those roundings. Well, I'm taking off 0.2 millimeters even from these, and then it went away. And now I will do this like each and every teeth. Now let's look at the setup a little bit. Okay, here. So, well, there is a vise, and this is a piano wire here. I'm using this to lock this for every teeth so that I can index it easily. Then, of course, I have the lock, rotational lock for this dividing head, which also helps. So, and I'm using this tool to turn it because, well, these are really sharp now. I could damage myself with those. So, well, it's, well, I think it's all about just doing this and nothing more. So, let's do it. Well, 3 teeth done, a few more to go. Let's see where we are at the moment. If this is already done, yeah, it's already done. Yeah. Oh yeah. Next. So loosen the brake here, and then I use this tool to go to the next, like that, and there you are. And now this is the next teeth, and this makes very nice sounds now. There you are. That's it. Next teeth. let's see where we are. I think, well, now I'm going to do this for a while and come back. After we have finished this, I will test this. It should be alright. It looks really good at the moment. Yeah. Okay, now I went through all the teeth and well, it was a little bit of a tedious operation. And now I'm going to test it. This is aluminium. I don't want to test it with a steel thing first. And I'm running this about 100 revolutions per minute because this is aluminium. You can do that. And so let's see. First of all, let's hear how well it is balanced. Well, and it cuts really nicely. Yeah. Okay. Wow. And now it works. Good. Now let's see what kind of result we have here. This is like yeah. Oh yeah. So if you look down there, it's really shiny, and there is I guarantee that this blade didn't cut that well. It was really bad. Okay, rescued. Wow. Hello. Yeah, okay. Well, it works. It really works. So, why did I test it with aluminium? Two reasons. First of all, it's soft material. If it starts to bind, it really will doesn't make a mess and doesn't break anything. The aluminium just bends. That's it. It didn't bind. And the other reason is that in aluminium, if my grind was not good, it would you can see right away rubbing and so on. All that is right away visible in aluminium. And now it was almost mirror surfaces there. So I think we have a good blade, and I succeeded in rescuing this. Yeah. Okay. This was a very short episode of Finnogric machining. And I have some good news about the Module 2 cutters. They are now in Paris. Hope. I live in hope that I will get them so that I don't need to make that fly cutter to cut the teeth into that flywheel. So, okay. But in the next episode of Finnogric machining, we probably will be cutting the teeth to that flywheel. Till then, bye!